Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to target people that viewed your Instagram Reels. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do it. Guys, this audience is super valuable in terms of retargeting and in terms of creating lookalike audiences from, right? So guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video. So as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. This is an awesome audience to target from a retargeting point of view and from a lookalike audience point of view, right? Because these are people that have viewed your video, have taken some type of interest in your video. In this whole time that we're in where things are kind of going more broader, audiences still matter, interests still matter, but things are going a lot more broader. We want to get in as much data sets as we possibly can. And that is the view. That's the view, guys, right? So by being able to target people that have watched our Instagram Reels, that's something that can help us get our brand out there and also help us get us some conversions, whether you're trying to get sales or leads as well. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So guys, we're in the trusted ads manager right now. And then in the 3 lines right here, where it says all tools, you just click here, then select audience. Once you've selected audience, click on create audience, then click custom audience, and this screen will pop up. Then select video. Then once you've done that, select next. And guys, right here, a screen will pop up. A screen will pop up, right? And it's the engagement screen. And then you just click here. And then you have all these options. People who viewed at least 3 seconds of a video, people who viewed 10 seconds of a video, people who viewed 95% of a video, 75%. So there's 2 schools of thought when it comes to the engagement type. I prefer to go for 3 seconds. Why? Because I'm trying to capture as many of those views as possible, right? When people watch the first 3 seconds of a video, there's minimal interest there, right? When people watch 95% of a video, that means they're super interested, but they may not be ready to buy. They may have just been interested in the content of the video, right? And another thing is that if you go for 95% of the people that viewed your video, the amount of people that are going to be in that audience is going to be a lot smaller because not everyone's going to watch 95% of the video, right? These days with shortening attention spans, people are like, first 3 seconds, do I like the video? Yes or no? Leave. And you have to remember, reels are like 15 seconds long, even longer these days, even up to 30 seconds, right? So you want to test both of these. In terms of getting as much people as possible, I tend to go for people who viewed at least 3 seconds. Select this. Or you can select 95%. It's up to you. It's totally up to you, right? It's something to test. Then you want to do retention 365. Then you click on here where it says choose videos. Then guys, make sure that you select Instagram business profile. Make sure you select this option right here. Make sure you select your Instagram page. And guys, look, all these are reels. I can select them. And then once I'm ready to go, I just click confirm and here we are. And then all I've got to do is name this IG Reels 3 seconds. Yeah. And then all I've got to do is click create audience. That's it. That's how you create an audience of people who have viewed your Instagram Reels. And you can go through and select and add in as many videos as you want and all that good stuff. It's totally up to you. You can add in Facebook views, Instagram views. It's totally up to you. Yeah. And now you've created that audience. Now we've created this Instagram Reel audience. Now, in order to target this audience, so as mentioned in the video, I said that I was going to show you how to target people who have viewed your Instagram Reel. So these are the people in this audience that have viewed my Instagram Reels. Then we just go to click here, all tools again. Then click on Ads Manager. Now we are in the Ads Manager. Now we're in the Ads Manager. And then you just click create, as though you're making a normal campaign. And then you can click sales, then click continue. And here we're at the campaign level. And we can select the budget, however we want to do it, right? But I want to take us to the point where we put in this Instagram Reel audience that we've just created. Just click next right here. Once you click next, you're going to be at the ad set level. You just scroll down, and right here, see where it says custom audience? You click in here, and look, this is our IG Reels audience that we've just created. And all you got to do, just click this, and here we are. And here we are. Now we can target this audience with our ads. And then we go down, and then we click next, and then we're going to be at the ad level where we create the ad, create the video. And the people that will see that video or see the pictures or the image will be this people that have viewed my Instagram Reels on my profile. But first, you have to create that custom audience and then put that custom audience into here. So guys, that is how you target people who have viewed your Instagram Reels. If you want to learn more advanced strategies and tactics with Facebook ads, TikTok ads, click the links in my description. And as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. Take care.